Ever dreamed of turning pocket change into a fortune without lifting a finger? Welcome to the wild world of HODL, where typos become legends and regret is just a pizza away. Buckle up and don't throw your phone just yet. I'm about to explain why you're either a genius or a walking meme. Picture this. It's 2013, Bitcoin's just a blip, and some dude on a forum is having a good time. He's trying to tell everyone to hold on to their Bitcoin, but his fingers type hodling instead of holding. Normally, this would be just another typo lost in the internet abyss. But this is crypto, where logic goes to die and memes are born. Suddenly, HODL isn't just a misspelling, it's a rallying cry. Hold on for dear life, they say. And honestly, with the way these markets swing, it's more like hold on or die laughing. In the crypto jungle, there are two types of players: paper hands and diamond hands. Paper hands sell at the first dip, sweating bullets like they just saw a spider in their shoe. The market sneezes, and they're out there selling their grandma's TV for bus fare. Diamond hands. They're the cool cats lounging on a pile of gains, watching the storm rage around them. They know the name of the game is patience. They're hodling tighter than a toddler with their favourite teddy bear. One's a one-way ticket to Regret City. The other's a moon-bound rocket ship. You choose your fighter. Let's play a game. Imagine it's 2015. You toss $500 into Bitcoin and another $500 into Ethereum. Fast forward to today and you peek at your portfolio. Your Bitcoin? It's chilling at $147,197. Your Ethereum skyrocketed to $761,564, almost $1 million from a measly grand. If you're not screaming into a pillow, congratulations, you just passed the ultimate HODL test. The Bitcoin pizza tragedy. Gather round, children, and let me tell you a tale of woe. The tragic story of Laszlo Hanyecz, the man who traded 10,000 Bitcoin for 2 pizzas. Back in 2010, when Bitcoin was worth less than a grain of sand, Laszlo thought he was slick. Fast forward to today, and those 10,000 Bitcoins are worth $835 million. Instead, Laszlo's got a story about the time he traded a fortune for some soggy Papa John's. The moral? HODL harder than your delivery guy's grip on a tip. Time in the market is greater than timing the market. Trying to time the market is like trying to catch a falling knife. You're gonna end up bleeding. History shows that staying in the game, even when the going gets tough, beats jumping ship at every little dip. Unless you've got a crystal ball or a direct line to Satoshi himself, hodling is your cheat code. Patience, young Padawan. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a crypto fortune. So, put down the trading app, step away from the charts, and trust that your crypto is doing its thing. The power of HODL. Panic selling is like bailing out of a roller coaster mid-loop. Hodling, that's like riding that roller coaster all the way to the end, screaming your lungs out through the loops and drops. History's got your back on this one. Trust the process, trust the tech, and most importantly, trust yourself. Remember, diamonds are made under pressure, and so are crypto millionaires. So, HODL tight, my friend, and let's ride this wave to the moon. HODL on, still clutching your crypto dreams? Tempted to jump in? Drop a comment below. Misery loves company, and I'm nosy. Liked this video? Smash that like button, subscribe, and HODL that notification bell like it's your last Satoshi. Now go forth, and may your gains be as epic as your Wi-Fi signal. This isn't financial advice, because if I were that smart, I'd be sipping piña coladas on a yacht, not here. Do your own research, and if you're still clueless, maybe stick to Pokemon cards.